Nilaunch kasi may supplement company. I was already making like 8 digits a month neto. Would you believe? Ako yung tumatawag ng customer, ako nang hihingi ng feedback. Ako yung kumakausap, ako nag-chat sa kanila.
Gaano kahalaga yan?
I want to listen to my client. Bakit pa hindi siya bumibili? Ano ba yung concerns niya? Ano yung problems niya? Because at the end of the day, sino ba nagsiset ng direction sa business ako? I go in deeper. I ask why. Nagtitake ka na ba ng supplements in the past, ma'am? I answer that. And they don't know that I'm the owner. My point here is, when you're the founder, business owner, understand your market. Una talaga yung market, and then offer, and then persuasion.
Would you agree, mas malaki ang tenga mo kaysa dun sa bibig mo kapag nagbebenta?
Of course, 100%.
Yung iba kasi, ang feeling nila, hindi kasi para talaga sa akin ng sales Kasi hindi ako madaldal. Hindi ako makwento. Yun ang nagiging problem sa marami. Not knowing that selling is actually listening. Because yun yung feedback ng customer mo. What can you say about that?
Yung idea kasi natin of selling is like this. Sobrang ganda ng relo ko. Ito, maputi, di ba?
Hindi ganun.
Pero if I'm gonna ask, sir, ano ba yung hinahanap mo, sir? Okay. First time watch owner ka ba? Or you have previous watches in the past? What happens is, instead of me selling, nag-guide ako sa kanya.
Kung gusto mong gumaling sa sales, dapat alam mo yung mga tanong. Kasi doon sa tanong, doon ka makakakuha ng sagot at doon mo siya mabebentahan base doon sa kagustuhan at pangangailangan ng customer mo at this time. Kasi yung iba, pinipilit nilang ibigay yung offer nila. Halimbawa, nagbibigay ako ng flyer sa mall. Condominium, meron po kami, maganda ho, low down payment, etc. Instead of namimigay lang tayo ng flyer, pwedeng tatanungin natin, gusto niyo hong magkabahay sa halagang 100,000 pesos? Ay, talaga? Paano yan? Makakakuha ka ng kagad ng attention. The first thing that you have to understand in selling is you have to get the attention first. Second is interest. Dapat makuha mo yung attention and then they became interested and then they finally made the decision and then they take action.